today I got my package from Morrocco Method, so I thought I'd do a little unboxing for you guys. A pure boar bristle and nylon hairbrush. Oh my gosh, I've been looking for one that would actually be good quality. I love that. Then next we have a Zen Detox hair and scalp mask. I love that I can just look at the ingredients and I recognize pretty much everything. It's really nice that I know what I'm putting on my hair and scalp. And next we have the Healthy Hair starter package. Wow, we have a lot in here. A Euro oil, restorative hair and scalp oil treatment. A lot of good ingredients actually. A Sapphire Volumizer mist and a diamond crystal mist. Exciting. A scalp massager, massaging your roots is super good for you. Zen Detox hair and scalp mask. Clean ingredients, made in USA. This is wonderful. And then we have this whole set: Earth Essence shampoo, Sea Essence shampoo, apple cider vinegar, pine shale, floating Lotus conditioner. I'm gonna be traveling pretty soon, so I could just take these with me, no problem. Element Air, exfoliating facial scrub and revitalizer, and light to medium hold for all hair types. That's wonderful. Well, thank you so much for sending me all these wonderful products, Morrocco Method. Very much appreciated. And I will let you guys know when I use them and how it's going for me. So thank you so much.